Imagine a world where your CV is the key to unlocking countless opportunities. A well-crafted CV isn't just a document, it's your first impression on potential employers. Let's explore why it's crucial for administrative roles. Your CV should be a reflection of your professional journey. Start with personal details, then dive into work experience and skills. Each section should be clear and concise, painting a picture of your capabilities. A compelling personal profile is your chance to shine. Capture attention by summarizing your strengths and career goals. Don't forget to showcase your education and certifications, as they add credibility to your profile. Highlighting both soft and hard skills is essential. Employers value adaptability and technical proficiency. Present your work experience with impact, focusing on achievements that demonstrate your value. Quantifiable achievements speak volumes. Use numbers to showcase your contributions, like improving efficiency by 20%. This not only highlights your skills, but also your ability to drive results. Customizing your CV for each job application is vital. Use keywords to pass applicant tracking systems and ensure your CV aligns with the job description. This increases your chances of getting noticed. A matching cover letter enhances your application. It provides context to your CV, allowing you to express your enthusiasm for the role. Together, they form a powerful duo that can propel your career forward. Check CVMaker to create your CV and cover letter. Good luck!